Next, come to sthiti. Just observe your blood circulation. This is Tadasana. And slowly come to sitting posture, like that. Now let us see Padmasana practice. Okay? This is చాలా important. This is very important for the ladies especially. So Ardha Baddha Konasana, then Baddha Konasana. Baddha Konasana. Baddha Konasana, we generally call it as a butterfly, right? So the heels under perineum. See, the heels under perineum, both legs, both soles touching together like that, holding here. Inhale deeply, exhale down. Touch your head on the ground. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale, and hold it this way. Completely release your breath. Chin on the chest. Pull your stomach inside. Pull your stomach inside. Inhale slowly. Rise. One more round. Exhale. No. Exhale completely. Udayana Bandha. Inhale up. Exhale down. Pull your stomach inside your lower lungs. Inhale up. So this will remove all the problems related to the pancreas, liver and the digestion system. Some people have a gas problem. So for gas problem, so if you do just 3 rounds very simply daily practice. At the same time you are sitting in this asana, so this will help you to cure the urinary problems, any bladder problems, PCOS problems, monthly periods problem. All this is you can avoid, especially for the ladies. It is daily a must asana. You must do it regularly. You can sit for long time also. Other pranayamas, if you are doing, sit for some time. If you can sit for a couple of minutes, you can sit and do a simple Laghu pranayama, deep breathing and deep breathe out. Do a 10 rounds of breathing. This will help you. Very simple, but you can keep your spinal straight, and your heels must be under perineum. So that is mainly you have to get rid of this the discharge problem, so that you will not lose the nutrients from your body. Many ladies are facing the problem with the nutrition deficiencies. All the hemoglobin problem. Why this hemoglobin problem coming in? Mainly because of the stress, fear, and because of that discharges. So that is why you feel weak. That is why you have to make yourself strong, confident, no issues. By making the daily yoga like this will help. Okay? And because of the wrong foods, many people are getting the PCOS problem. So peak out problem also you can resolve just with a simple asana everyday practicing this way. This is called Baddha Konasana. Okay, so let's do the twist in the Baddha Konasana to make your spine more flexible. With complete twist. Look backwards as much as possible. Okay, one more round. Inhale, exhale, down. Okay, next one is just take your hands like that, lift your buttocks up and slowly bring forward. If you can, don't break your heels. Okay, don't break your ankles. Mainly, whatever you have the flexibility to do. This is called Gorakshasana.